Hello, my name's Lyndey Milan. I'm an Australian food writer and commentator with a passion for travel and discovery. I love the nature of the Irish, their humour and openness, and I've come to Ireland to experience and taste the heartland of these people.
This time on Lyndey Milan's Taste of Ireland. Lyndey is in the wilds of Galway on the tail of a hurricane.
There's something quite primal about it.
Discovers the rare beauty and taste of a land called the Burn.
It's the taste of the black ones, they're the right ones, yeah.
Steals a glimpse into the kitchen of Finnish chef Michael Viljonen. And there's a tasty seafood treat at Moran's by the Wheel.
You really need to free that oyster.
All this and more as we visit the region of County Galway on Lyndey Milan's Taste of Ireland.
I think I've got one.
Honestly?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh!
I don't know. I really don't know.
What's up,
Oh, there's something silver.
Something
There's
silver?
something silver.
Oh.
What do you... Oh, I've got two.
Oh, well done.
Oh, I've got three.
Three. Oh, what a catch.
You little beauty.
What a catch.
Look at those.
See, I told you it was the luck of the Irish. No, I was like, whoa.
Okay, so
Well done.
How do we get them off?
3 mackerel under 1 shot, huh?
Yay. Oh, look, and I even got the hook out. There you go. I want to go and cook these babies. Little bit more goat. And I've got some beautiful baby parsnip. And I've got baby carrots too, also known as Dutch carrots. And instead of the traditional onion, I've got some green onion. I actually think I might slice these, pop those in. They should add some nice flavour. Then finally, the last of the goat, and I'll pour over this delicious stock. Now it's all about slow, slow, slow. And I need to pop on the lid and cook it very slowly until that goat is tender and falling apart. Now let's have a look at our stew. Lovely big chunks of moist, juicy goat. We've got the sweet carrots. We've got parsnip. We've got onion. And the finishing touch will be the parsley. And there it is. That's my deluxe goat Irish stew.